You set us up! He led us into that death camp, then hid and waited for the thing to strike. We were bait.
I needed to know who we were up against. Now I do.
A man is dead because of that.
This morning you were ready to kill him.
Well, it ain't this goddamn morning, is it?
Well, at least you didn't die in vain.
Why? So we can find out firsthand what it feels like to have our asses kicked?
No, we found out that there's more than one of them. That they use projectile and energy-based weapons. That they have some sort of cloaking device. That they're bigger than us. Stronger. But also heavier.
You put us at risk for yourself. You wanna be on your own? You got it.
Why don't you tell them the truth?
I don't know what you're talking
You know
about.
what I'm talking about. The way you looked at that thing that was strung up. The way you reacted. She knows what it is. Don't you?